Hi friends, this is your host and teacher Sayyid Ayazuddin Haider, and you're watching Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. So in this video session, I'm going to start the new topic which is about air quality and climate. So this will be the first video. Let's start the video with the learning outcomes. So air quality and climate. So here we have SLOs of this video session. State the composition of clean, dry air as approximately 78% nitrogen and to 21% oxygen O2, and the remainder as a mixture of noble gases and carbon dioxide CO2. State the source of each of these air pollutants. Carbon dioxide from the complete combustion of carbon containing fuels, carbon monoxide and particulates from the incomplete combustion of carbon containing fuels, methane from the decomposition of vegetation and waste gases from digestion in animals, oxides of nitrogen from car engines, sulfur dioxide from the combustion of fossil fuels which contain sulfur compounds. Let's start with the composition of clean air. Air is a mixture of gases that makes up the atmosphere of Earth. Clean air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, noble gases, and water vapor in air. Now, nitrogen, it makes up 78% of the air, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.004%. It's written wrong. 0.04% is wrong. So, pollution is the presence of harmful substances. Air pollution is the presence of pollutant gases in the air. A pollutant is a substance that causes pollution. These pollutants are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, oxides of nitrogen, ozone, sulfur dioxide, unburned hydrocarbons, and lead compounds. Now, source of carbon dioxide. The source of carbon dioxide through respiration, fermentation. Fermentation involves the conversion of sugar into alcohols, decay of organic matter or decomposition of organisms, combustion of carbon compounds or combustion of fossil fuel, or combustion of, you can write a name of any fossil fuel. Carbon dioxide is also produced during the decomposition of limestone. Limestone, you know, it's calcium carbonate. You can either write calcium carbonate or limestone. Both are correct. It's also produced from increasing temperature of the oceans or removal of dissolved carbon dioxide. It's also produced during volcanic eruptions. Carbon monoxide is one of the poisonous pollutants of air. It is considered a pollutant because it can kill living organisms. The main source of carbon monoxide is factories which burn carbon containing fossil fuels. Remember, it's produced during incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Last form of pollutant gases. Due to limited supply of air, unburned carbon escapes as gaseous hydrocarbons. Other pollutants include dust, smoke, and lead compounds. Large particles will settle quickly, but small particles remain suspended in air for a long time. The source of dust particles, building work, mining activities, forest fires, and the incomplete combustion of fuels, that's unburned carbon, is produced. Or methane gas. Let's talk about methane gas. It's formed by animals when animals eat and digest their food. Methane is produced. It's released to the atmosphere by animals. When plants die and decompose over many years, methane gas is also produced by decomposition by bacteria. Nitrogen oxides are formed at high temperatures during lightning activity in the air as a result of nitrogen and oxygen reacting. In cars, engines have a very high temperature, or you can say spark. This creates a chance for nitrogen and oxygen present in the air in the engine to react, forming nitrogen monoxide. Now, here's the reaction equation for the formation of the other oxides of nitrogen. 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. NO2 is an acidic oxide. Another gas produced by car engines is ozone. It's formed by when an electric spark passes through air, oxygen. At ground level, ozone and nitrogen reacts with ultraviolet radiation in sunlight and produces a photochemical smog. What is photochemical smog? It's a haze in the atmosphere accompanied by high levels of ozone and nitrogen oxides caused by the action of sunlight on pollutants. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, is considered a pollutant. It's a non-metal oxide, you know, that causes acid rain. It contributes to acid rain. So how it's produced? Sulfur dioxide, it is the product of two processes. One of these two processes happening. One is the combustion of fuse containing sulfur. Fuse contains sulfur, and other is during volcanic eruptions, also produced during the extraction of metals from their sulfide ore, such as zinc sulfide. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.